Hello everyone. So you've been doing some work with addition and subtraction of decimals, and that's not something we covered in class, so I wanted to go over that in a quick video for you. So we're talking about addition and subtraction of decimals. Okay. So addition and subtraction of decimals is super simple. We pretty much, the only thing we need to be careful about is the location of our decimal point. So let's grab a couple numbers and we'll take a look. So let's say 3.26 and we'll say 5.032. Just made those up and we'll use those as an example. So when we set up our addition or subtraction problem, we're going to do it just like any other addition or subtraction problem. We're going to set it up vertically, but we have to make sure that these decimal points stay right on top of each other. So if we have 3.26 and we want to add 5.032 to that, we have to make sure that these decimal points line up. So 5.032. And you might notice that we're missing a number up here. That's okay. We can fill in a 0 here because that's not going to change the value of this number. So as long as these decimal points are lined up, we are ready to go. So from there, it's just a simple addition problem. We're going to do it just like any other vertical addition problem. So 0 plus 2 is 2. 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 5 is 8. And we're done. So we know that 3.26 plus 5.032 is equal to 8.292. All right, so let's do one more example, just so we can get the hang of it. Let's do a couple bigger numbers. Let's do 16.02 plus, we'll do a subtraction problem this time. I'll erase this. 16.02 minus, let's say, 4.135. Okay, so again, we want to make sure that these decimal points line up. That's very important. So we then fill in our zeros as placeholders, and now we're ready to subtract. So we can't subtract 5 from 0, so we have to borrow. Make that a 10. 5 goes here. We have to borrow again. We'll have to borrow all the way from here. Make that a 5. Make this a 10. And then make it a 9, and this becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. We add our decimal back in. 5 minus 4 is 1. And we can add a 0 in here as a placeholder. 1 minus 0 is 1. So our answer here is 11.885. And that's just a brief overview of adding and subtracting decimals. Hope this helps. Thanks.